More devotees are expected to visit churches and attend Mass this Holy Tuesday. Let's check the situation at Baclaran Church in Parañaque with Mobile Journal Daniel Dayao. Daniel, ano na balita?
Good morning, Diego and Angela. Our kapatid devotees are continuing to observe their faith this Holy Tuesday of Holy Week. And as of now, medyo manipis pa lang yung tao dito or regular numbers pa lang. But we actually talked to some of the kapatids that we have here, and they are doing the tradition of a Bisita Iglesia already. And Diego, Mass started early at around 6:45 a.m. And then currently, ongoing pa rin yan dahil nag-start kanina yan ng 9:30 a.m. And then later, ay merong schedule ng 5:30 p.m. So meron lang tayong 3 masses for today because tomorrow, ang expected na dagsa talaga ng mga deboto. Dahil first is the first day of the month, which is April 1. And then second, it's Baclaran Day, which is kilala ang Baclaran as a Wednesday para maraming novena mass and novena benediction. And aside from that, Diego, Baclaran every Wednesday umaabot daw ng 150,000 to 200,000 devotees ang pupunta dito. And yun ang expected. Kaya nakikipag-ugnayan na ang mga Baclaran Church leaders para mas masiguro ang seguridad ng mga pupuntang deboto dito. And aside from that, Diego and Angela, one of the identities of a Baclaran Church is that meron silang Holy Week Sacrament of Confession. So ito yung nag-open sila ng 4 boxes every hour yan of every day until 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So it's become a tradition na kilala na ang Baclaran Church. And aside from that, meron din tayong candle chapel. And libre yung mga candles dito, pero pwede naman daw mag-donate ang mga kapatid natin na gustong humiling. And as of now, you can tell that it's very peaceful and still orderly here since maraming nagpapatrol ng PNP and security from Baclaran Church. Diego and Angela.
Yes, Daniel, ngayon sa mga oras na ito, kamusta naman yung mga, kumbaga yung mga pupunta dyan, yung mga devotees sa Baclaran?
Yes, Angela, alam mo yung mga pumupunta dito ay hindi lang around Parañaque. It's actually around Manila, from Cavite, Rizal. Kasi most of them na na-interview ko is it's either my birthday or it's either ginagawa ang Bisita Iglesia, which is pumupunta ang mga traditional ng mga Pilipino ang pinupuntahan ng at least 7 churches during Holy Week.
Pero kamusta na, of course, I'd like to ask na yung situation ng traffic sa area around Baclaran. Kasi within the church mukhang peaceful, pero sa mga roads ngayon, alam ko madami nag-aalisan na rin eh.
Yes, Diego, actually observing from on the way here, malinis yung trapiko dito sa Rojas Boulevard. And as of now, makikita din natin sa labas, baka mawala lang yung signal ko, makikita din natin sa labas na hindi ganon ka-crowded ang traffic. Ayan, hindi siya ganun ka-crowded, walang traffic along on the way here sa Baclaran Church.
Pero visible naman ang mga security measures in place kasi tulad ng sabi mo, Wednesday, we expect a lot of people.
Yes, Diego, as of now, nagsimula na mag-deploy ang PNP and of course yung Baclaran Church ng kanilang security. So meron sa Rojas Boulevard, meron dito sa gilid ng church, and of course meron mga nagpapatrol dito inside the Baclaran Church itself.
Alright, maraming salamat, Daniel Dayao live sa Baclaran Church.